Hello everyone, my name is David Ritchie and I'm the principal of the Samuel S. Yellen School. I'd like to introduce for you today our February Students of the Month. In 4th grade, Eric Paul Coronel. Eric is kind, always prepared, and a hard worker. Congratulations. Paige White, 4th grade. Excellent student, always includes everyone. Congratulations. In 5th grade, Janice Inglesias-DeLosSantos. Janice is sweet and caring. Congratulations. 5th grade, Michael Ann Rossano. Michael Ann is a great student and a great friend. Congratulations. 6th grade, Naomi Revueltas. Naomi always does her best and is a wonderful student. Congratulations. 6th grade, Ezearia Saffold-Randolph. Ezearia is a hard worker, kind, and inclusive. Congratulations. 7th grade, Angelina Pleis. Angelina, always ready to help another student and is extremely funny. 7th grade, Julia Filipkowski. Julia is an awesome student, great friend. Congratulations. 8th grade, Yuliza Mexica. Yuliza is very sweet and always does her best. Congratulations. Last but not least, in 8th grade, Huberth Lainez. Huberth is an extremely hard worker and very caring. Congratulations. Our staff member of the month in 5th grade, Mr. Bob Dacierno. Come on in, guys. We have a little saying that we do at the end of the morning announcements, like to do for you today. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
What's inside Squire's pride?